Ang ako ang na-realize is naay lima ka bakakon. Ako dito. Sorry. There are 5 biggest lies about your profession. Okay? So, kung makita ninyo diha, before ko naging, involved into industry of crypto, kinsa sa inyo diri ang nag-eskwela, ina ako ning graduate, nakakuha og trabaho. Okay, that's the programming traditionally. You did everything you were told to, so nganong murag kulang gihapon, which means to say, para dili po mabihay ng mga taga Manila ba kay ang gusto na ko libakon sila kay para makabalos po ta. Sige na sila, zero tag-Tagalog for them. Karon magbisaya ta for them. Sila mag-adjust. Okay? So kanong murag kulang gyapon? Type yes if naa mo sa ing-aning nga reality right now. Type yes. Be honest. Okay, the first thing for you to realize so you can move from point A to point B is to admit where are you right now. Thank you. I love that. Victor, Jennifer, yes, Arlene, I love that. It all starts with acceptance. Next slide. So, karon from this realization, let's start with line number 1. Okay? You may be agree or not, pero let's face it. Basta stable ang job, secure na ka. So, type ako kung isa sa mga ginikanan nimo kana ang giingon sa imuha. Kaniad to. Gastart pa jud ka. Okay? Kana ang giingon sa imuha sa start. I-type ako. Naana jud. Okay. So, again, let's talk about job and finances. Stable ang trabaho, pero stable ba imong finances? You don't need to answer that for now. I just want you to check a specific part of your life right now na, hey, I've been in the industry for a very long time pero something is not working. Pila na ka-year pero hey, murag stagnant ko. Okay? Thank you for being honest. And that's an evidence kay nagatug-an juga sa tinuod. Number 2, okay, emergency is one thing. One emergency can wipe out months of savings. Walay katapusang gastos, ana pasiunin, no? And kini, kung mawala imong sweldo for 3 months, okay gyapon ka. What do I mean by that? Kung mawala imong trabaho karon, naa ba kay backup plan? Okay, kay kung isa ra imong trabaho, GG juga. Clear? Sige. Type true kung if you have been feeling all of these realities right now. Type true. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. Alright, sige. Number 2. Line number 2. Okay. Kung taas ang salary, the richer you become. Can you type the word lie? L-I-E. Okay. Kasi kung mataas na yung sweldo, mas yayaman ka. Pero ang nangyari, ang nahitabo, pag mas naghan makag-responsibilities. Diba? Ano ba, Jennifer, baka akong gidi ay. No? Especially sa Davao, di ba? Tagkataas ang pamaliton. Number 2, the time cost. No, promotion can mean more income but also more responsibility and less time. Yung taas lang yung sweldo, pero your time for your family also decreases. Type ako if you felt that right now. No, ultimo weekend kailangan nimo bawion para lang apason nimo yung mga bayro nun. Ako gina siya. Okay? The real wealth, dili pila imong sweldo, ang importante kung pila ang nabilin. And how would you maximize that? Salamat Arlene, salamat kaayo. Line number 3. Your profession will pay back your sacrifices. Agoy, dire kita gisagpa jud ko aning kining mentality ba kay kanang bitawng years of school, tuition, training, exams, experience. Tubag o nakabawi, that's option 1. Option 2, wala pa. Kung ang inyong gispend katong nag-college mo, tanan gi-examan ninyo na bawi na sa inyong salary karon. Okay, wala pa, ana pa si Chris, big sabihin, yung mga na-spend daw nila sa college, nabawi na ba daw ngayon? Wala pa. That is before. No? Thank you, Onin. Okay. Kini, the daily cost. No. Dili na to ni makita kay these are active income mo good. kada adlaw nagagawa sa ato ang active pocket. Mo commute ka, mag-overtime ka, stress. Kana ba dyan mag-overtime ka? Kanang mag-overtime ka, ang ingon si mo, thank you ra. Type ako kung nakatilaw na ka na. Okay. True. That is before. So ang pangutana is pila ka years before mabawi tanan nimong gi-invest. You don't need to answer that right now, but this is just your checkpoint question. Line number 4. Line number 4. Okay. Hard work will get you there faster. Okay. True or false? Type. True or false? True or false? Kung the more daw ka magkugi sa imong trabaho, mas paspas daw ka makaabot. It may be true to some because I will not discredit the word work. Depende daw sa boss ana si Onin. Now, again walay daotan sa hard work. Walay daotan, promise, walay daotan. Pero tingala ka ba, ngano ang kanang mga naa sa brick and mortar, pag may brick and mortar, kana yung mag-record siya physical strength, ngano nga tod karon 5-10 years, they don't seem to go to their next level. Nganong dili nimo makita nga naga next level sila. Or maybe check na lang gid sa imong kaugalingon karon, nganong ang dugay jud kay nimong i-achieve ba, di gid nimo siya ma-achieve. Kay ngano man, sagpaon maka sa reality na mga responsibilities. Okay? Nadagdagan ang workload pag hard worker anak pa si John Paul. Correct. I love the activity here right now. Very participative ang mga taga Davao. Okay, now what I would want you to think of this is mutuo ba ka nga there's something better than hard work, no? Dili naman ni first time na madungog, but what I want to type there right now is the word vehicle. Can you type the word vehicle? Vehicle. Okay. Ana sino, the more you show hard work, they will give you more load. Tinuod. Okay? Even in Manila, especially on manual labor. Oo. Iba sa Pilipinas, so kapag hard worker ka, mas binibigyan ka ng mas maraming trabaho. Okay. Now, let's go back. Can you type the word vehicle? Okay. Now, thank you, Chris. Okay. When I mean vehicle, these are the tools, no? Inyong pagsulod diri karon, this is your one of the vehicles. This is not also the first time nga ning sulod pud mo og kanang mga free webinar. Nganong gi-free siya because these are your gateway. These are your tools to bring you from point A to point B. Your point A right now is your reality and your point B is what you have been dreaming ever since. Ana pa si Onin, accept more responsibility tapos mag-resign ka, hindi ka papayagan mag-resign, no? Tagaan pa jud ka og kuan. Sige, ay lang pag-resign kay kamo gunang pinaka-how dere. Nax. I-gaslight ka ba? So, you can run faster, but what if someone else learn to drive? Bargain, ana pa si si Onin. So, ang question ba is kanang naabay possible way na mas mapaspasan nimo ang imuhang ginahandom sa kinabuhi by choosing the right vehicle. Check naman ka hard work. Work ethic, yes. Pero what if there's a tool that would bring you faster? Meaning, instead na mag-retire ka for 60, 70, what I mean by retire is meaning you could spend without even thinking if this would come back or not. Pero importante is happy ba ka? Okay? Clear ba? So take a deep breath and exhale. Line number 5. Line number 5. Okay. True or false? Sige, tubagan ninyo ni. One income is enough. Totoo ba ka? Ano si John Paul? False. Thank you. False. False. Okay. Reality check. No, okay ta sa una, no? Siguro kung ang imong income 100,000 tapos secured na ka, no? That mentality is no longer present today. Single source, one income, one source. Pag nawala na, asamang ka. What I mean by that, ikaw mismo. Let's face it, kung ikaw mismo, ikaw pa dyan ang single earner sa family, ikaw pa dyan ang breadwinner, who would take care of your family? Kana lang. Second, fixed salary. Kung napay bills, emergencies, family needs, pero fixed rin yung sweldo. Nagataas ang pamaliton pero ang sweldo mura gyapon. Another source. So dili kailangan biyaan nimo yung profession. Gusto na ko emphasize ni siya na ako ang imong kung ang pagtuon nimo sa trading is kailangan nimo siya balhinan for you to go full time, it's not. Again, dili mo kailangan mag-resign. Okay? You don't also need to take it as a side income because again, trading, especially in the modern era, is treated as a profession. Can you type profession? There. Okay? And as we move forward, no? Let's go to the next slide. As we move forward, there are a lot of opportunities based on research, no? That would make you your income even more profitable, reducing imong bawasan ng ba ang imuhang gastos kay kada gawas mo gastos gyud except na lang kung nakay strong internet, except kung naa kay strong device. And looking at it right now diha sa slide, there are three major things that you can do right now. Naining tubag ganiha VA kisa to. Type ako, okay? Ikaw ba type ako, ikaw ba tong okay, gina-consider nimo ang VA, type yes. Nothing wrong. Kaya ako VA man pud ko. Okay? Kinsa pod diri ang alam murag profitable man siguro ang AI karon or mag-developer ko kay pwede ra ba to tunan og YouTube, di ba? Kisa ang naingan ang mentality right now. Nagaplano ka, hala sige, pwede na ako sa diyan, ubayad ko. I would learn everything just to learn that. But you know what? Naka-highlight diya ang trader. Of all those three skill sets, tanaw nimo karon kung asa ang pinaka-practical. My invitation to you kung asa ang pinaka-available. Because here's the thing. Kasagaran sa mga profitable, or ang pinaka-profitable na skill gid is naka-base siya sa rarity. Kaya type the word rarity, type na ko dire. So din na, spelling din na coach. Rarity, ibig sabihin rare ba? Put pasabot, kung gamay ra ang nakabalo ana, saturated na mo ning duha. Here's my take. Kung rare ang imong skill, tan-aw nimo, mubo ang bayad sa mo taas. If you're the only person in the big industry who learn about that kind of skill, and you're the only person or a little percentage of the population, ikaw rin nakabalo ana, tan-aw nimo, taas ang mubo ang chance ka mo kita or taas ang chance ka mo kita. If you learn the skill, you master the skill. Taas ubos. Remember, there's a power in the word. Kung imong pagtuo, imong self-worth, ubos imong tanan sa kagalingon nimo, bubo gid imong income. Pero kung tan-aw nimo sa kagalingon, okay, hawod ko, kugihan ko, I can learn to be a trader, lingkuran ako ni siya, and I will take every step of the way para profitable ko ani. Type ako kung inganay mo mentality. Type ako kung inganay mo mentality. Ako na lang, di man mo mutuo. Arlene, si Arlene rin to. Okay, the first person nga mag-approve sa imuhang kaugalingon is ikaw. The first person who would believe in you is you. Thank you, Mentor Mike. Okay, so now to finish it off, no, I invite you to look at the next slide. So naka sa point karon nga tanawon sa nimo ni siya is this is trading is for you is number 1, willing ka mag-learn or practice. Kaya nimo mag-follow og system. Kaya nimo i-manage ang risk, no? Type me if ako ni, no? Kung kanang tulo ka buok nasa imong left side sa imong screen right now, check anang tulo, type ako ni. Go. Mali. Sabi ni Chris. So that's your personal checklist, ha? Okay. Trading is not for you if number 1, gusto kag easy money. Okay, number 2, emotion imong basehan. Kung you're too emotional about losing, this is not for you. Dali ka ma-excite, this is not for you. I-rest nimo yung pambills, especially pag mag-enroll ka nya imuhang money karon kay utangon pa nimo, i-loan pa nimo, kuan pa nimo sa emergency fund. No, this is not for you. Clear ko ana. That's why we are choosing people who has as a skill set and a profession. Clear. Sige, type the word clear. Okay, mahuman ako. Next slide, please. Alright. So, ingani lang ako ang invitation sa inyo, ha. Ikaw gyapon na mag-decide. And why do I choose to be a trader is because gusto lang yun nako nga wala ko'y boss. Gusto nako nga walay, kasi gusto ana na you can be profitable, and no matter kung unsa ka dako unsa ka gamay, ang importante sa imuha, you have the freedom to take control of your time and freedom. Ko yung anak ko freedom. Okay, so I'd like to introduce this idea of learning your next steps. Can you type the word next steps? Okay, coach, unsa day next steps? Your next step is to listen. Okay, with the last 2 minutes nga na-address ako karon, here's our deal. Number 1, dapat wala kay ginahimo aside from this. Nana makadiri, ligo na lang. Paminaw jud og sakto kay your next steps is to listen to a person who has been into the industry for many years and went through a lot of checkings and challenges, and the first person nga anang nagpa-admire gid sa ko to go through to my next level into trading. Kailan naman niya, you've been watching his reels, and grabe ka honored me to join us today, and I'm giving it back to Coach Miranda. Coach, back to you, Coach.